Okay, so welcome back. Now we're going to do two more examples of averages. Okay, so the first one, we just have some whole numbers. So what's the average? Well, we're going to take these four numbers, we're going to add them up and then divide by 4. So if we add them up, we get 19, right? So we get 4 plus 6 plus 4 plus 5 divided by 4. And so this equals 19 divided by 4, right? And so what is this going to give us? This is going to give us 4 3/4, which is 4.75. Okay, so the average of those numbers is 4.75. Okay. Okay, now, in this case, one of the things you want to keep in mind is that when you're rounding or when you're doing calculations, you always want to round to the least precise measurement. Okay, so in this case here, since the least precise measurement is a whole number, we would round this to 5. Okay, because that would be the best we could do as far as precision. Okay, now for this one here, what we look at is look at all of these numbers and we look for the one that's the least precise, which means the one that has the least number of decimal places. Okay, so in this case here, this would be the least precise one. Okay, because this is only precise out to the 10th place. Okay, and so we're going to do our average, and then when we get our average, we're going to round to the nearest 10th, because again, we want to match with the least precise measurement. Okay, so now if we add these up, so let's add these up. So 3.32, 5.23, 3.51, 4.10, and 4.12. Okay, so now if we add these up, I get 2, 5, 10, 17, 21. And then I get 4, 7, 9, 10, 11, 16. So that becomes 2, and this becomes a 6. And then I get 1, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this becomes 9. So, and I drop down the decimal point. So I get 22.69 as the sum. Okay? Now I'm going to take 22.69 and I'm going to divide by the number of measurements I have, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to divide by 6. So now I'm going to go through the process and I'm going to round to the nearest tenths. So I'm going to go out to the hundredths place for my rounding. So now this is going to be 3. So this is going to be 18. So I'm going to subtract 18, which gives me 4. I drop down the 6. 6 goes into 46 7 times. So that's going to be 42. So I'm going to subtract off 42, which gives me 4. And I put in 9. And then this is going to be 8 now. So 6 times 8 is 48. Okay, oops, gotta bring up the decimal point, forgot. And then I get 1. Now at this point I'm done. I don't need to go any farther because I've gone out to the hundredths place. So now I'm going to round to the nearest tenth, which is going to be approximately 3.8 as the average. And that's it. Have a great day.